Hello guys, this boy Muhammad. I'm back for another video. Today I walk through how to fix the USB not working in the Windows machine. This step is very easy. You go to Shares field and look for Device Manager. From there you go to Universally Serials Post Control. Is here, and you're looking for your device USB composite device. Right click on it and you need to update the drive. After you update it, that will fix the problem. If not, you go to USB root hub and right click and go to properties. From there go to power management and you need to uncheck the allow the computer to turn off if this device save power. You need to uncheck it and click OK. And the second step is go to your USB you want to use it. Right click on it and you need to update the drive. Now we do that. You need to right click and uninstall the device, and you need to install again. That may fix the problem, and you need to restart your computer after you do that step. And this video for today I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.